Okay, Butsu and sshō. These are Chinese characters for Buddha nature. Butsu is Buddha and sshō is nature. And in Mahayana teaching, it is said all beings have Buddha nature. But my teacher's teacher, Sawaki Kodo Roshi, said we all have thief nature. And Buddha nature and thief nature are both 100%. And depending upon our activity as a practice, we manifest Buddha nature or manifest thief nature. Thief nature means we always want to get something and make it my own possession. That is thief nature, even the enlightenment. If we practice in order to gain that things, that desirable things called enlightenment, then we are manifesting our thief nature. So Buddha nature is manifested only when we just practice without expectation of gaining. So in Dogen Zenji's teaching, just practice, just sit. That is called shikantaza. Just sit without even expecting or desiring for enlightenment. That is the manifestation of Buddha nature in Dogen Zenji's teaching.